Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about complex numbers. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have z equal to a plus bi, and now we need to find r equals to the square root of a square plus b square, and theta that should be about arctan of b over 8. So we need to transform this one into polar form. So that should be about z equal to r multiplied by cosine theta plus I sine theta. And now we can apply the formula in here. So in this situation, a that is about negative number 2, b that is about negative with the square root of number 12. And now we can find the value of r. That should be about negative number 2. I will put in here negative with the square root of number 12. I will put in here. So we calculate this one. So we have number 4. The next one that is about theta. So b that is about this one. A that is about negative number 2. And this one we have b over 3. So we put this one going here. Now we put number 4 going here. B over 3 I will put in here. So after we finish this one, we can go to the next one. That is about z equal to re to the power of I theta. So r we have number 4. Theta that's about b over 3. And here is the final answer we need to find in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.